let's set up the month of April in my catch-all planner together. So we are going to be using a kit from xomamaplans. This is actually last year's kit, but I wanted to, when I purchased these, I want to say I purchased them back in December. I wanted like 4 months of monthlies done. Okay, so this is my last monthly kit from xomamaplans. I love her monthly kits. They're just so easy, simple, makes me happy. What do you use your monthly spread for? I put it in the comments below. I typically use my monthly spread for all things appointment related. I want to make sure it's up against the edge here. I find that's what my monthly spread is typically. I know some people use it to track things, which is also kind of fun to do too. When I was in Weight Watchers and I would weigh in every week, I would usually put my weigh-in on the Saturday. Since I've been doing Noom and I weigh every day, I don't write it in. I just keep it in my little tracker. Hey guys. The doggos, as always, are up here with me. The other day when I was filming, they had found the sun puddle in one of the upstairs bedrooms, and they were like, we're not sitting for a plane with me. Sun puddle is out. Today, it is definitely more of an April day, even though I'm filming this on March 30th. It is very overcast. It's going to be raining. We have rain in the forecast pretty much the next 4 days. Also in the comments below, monthly spread, Sunday start or Monday start, which do you prefer? I go back and forth. I actually have in my Rocket book, I set it up as a Monday start because I use that one for a lot of pre-planning. Oh my goodness, you two. Let the reindeer games commence. Doesn't matter what time of year it is, we always call Sharpie and Jules's playtime reindeer games. Anyway, so for that, because it's a lot of pre-planning and a lot of teacher stuff in that one, I do a Monday start in my monthly area. Here I like the traditional like Sunday start. I mean, I guess Monday's also traditional. You know what I mean. All right, I'm going to fast forward me putting the numbers down because that always takes some time. And we all know that you put in an undated planner the numbers. Here we go. All right, all dates in, looking good there. Let's start putting in a couple. I think I may end up using these guys down here, but we're gonna wait and see. Let's put in our paydays. So I think I'll use blue for school because blue is actually our school colors. So we get paid on the 5th and the 20th, and even though like I know the 20th is a Saturday, I still like to put it on the day that we typically get paid. I know it'll end up being like the day before, but just like that. Pink Zebra payday is always the 10th. Super cute. I always have a Zoom meeting. This month it is on the 15th. Happy Tax Day. I want to put on the 8th. It's the solar eclipse, but it's also somebody's birthday. It is Jules's birthday. trying to think how I want to put this. Do I want to put it like, I think we'll just go across like here. Not perfect, but it's okay. It's okay that it's not perfect. So Jules, I'm gonna put the pink box there. I believe she's gonna be 8 years old. So there'll probably be an outing for a pup cup for Miss Jules. Miss Jules' birthday. All right, let's go ahead and put these guys down. This is always the tricky part because when it's separated on two different pages. What if I go like this? And we'll go, let's do the green at the end because it's kind of leading into May. And what is the phrase? April showers bring May flowers. So there's a lot of growth that happens in April and May. One. Maybe we'll do the two pink ones in the middle and the blue one on the other end. Or actually, you know, since there's a little pink in here, maybe we'll put this pink one here. Now, if you look at xomamaplans monthly kits, she has little add-ons that take up these spaces if you want to get them. You don't have to. They're super cute though. All right, and then the gold washi or the pink washi? I think the gold, just to change it up a little bit. Maybe if it wants to come off the page. Let go of the sticker washi. Thank you. We'll start here. And card. Fine with the sticker washi, I don't always like to use the card. I like to use scissors, but I think we're good for today. I'll use scissors for this one. All right, let's go ahead and mark up the extra appointments I have. All right, I think that's it for the monthly section for right now. This is Mom at Stomach Doctor. Always fun. Who doesn't like that, huh? I mean, who doesn't want to go to the stomach doctor? All right, so now let me take this page off. We have the tasks and habits section, and I say this every month as the train goes by. This is one of my favorite things about these printables from Lights Planner Action is the tasks and habits section. And I really like what I did last month where I kind of swapped things around. So we're going to do that again. We're going to do... It's going to be monthly chores. I'll have to show you guys something that I printed off that I am also just loving. I follow a channel and Instagram called Go Clean Co. I also follow Makerspace. Sometimes it's just fun to get other ideas on how to clean. But Go Clean Co. is having a spring cleaning challenge, and they broke it apart into 6 different weeks. And I love that it's not like you have to get it all done in 1 week. And there's certain things, like this past week was kitchen, and there's one thing that I'm pushing to the summer. And that is the oven cleaning. I have a self-cleaning oven and I will never, ever, ever use that function. Nope. I did one time early on when I was in a different, when I was in a townhouse, and I didn't realize how hot it would get. Like, just didn't understand. So, didn't like it. I was like, I'll just clean it myself. So I figured because the oven will be out of commission that day when I clean it, it's better to do it in the summer when I'm grilling anyway. And I'm not really using the oven or the stove that much. Like, that made sense to me. So I'm pushing that task to the summer. So we're going to be doing a bigger plan with me on goal setting. But since I typically do this part with you on the monthly spread, I figured I'd go ahead and take care of that. So we've got my PZ goal, as always, $460 in SV. I listened to 2 different books by an entrepreneur named Rachel Rogers, and it all has to do with like everyone should be a millionaire, which, you know, is neither here nor there. But she had some really great ideas, and one of them was one of her habits was to do some sort of money-making activity every day. Now, that doesn't mean like go find a different side job every day. What she means by that is, like, let's say for Pink Zebra, it's doing a follow-up with a client who hasn't purchased in a while, passing out business cards, something that would generate money in the long run. So we are still going to always carry samples with us. So I'm getting better at being brave about passing out samples when I'm places. It feels awkward at first, and it just comes with practice. Sample pass out. The big one, though, the big goal, and I'll do a planner setup with this one, is Instagram posts daily. I came up with a plan. I've already brain dumped it. That's what I spent a lot of my spring break doing, is just sitting quietly with my planners. I love YouTube. I love sharing how I do things in my planner with you guys, but there are times where it is important just to sit with yourself and go through things that way. Health and wellness. I love how my energy levels have been feeling, but I really need to solidify what my numbers on energy levels mean. So, health and wellness, we're just going to kind of stay the course on that one. I don't think I'm going to look back at March real quick. Oh, and then I'll show you the Go Clean Co thing. Yeah, I don't think I really need to put a specific thing other than continue tonal habit. I have noticed a huge difference in my energy level, my mood, even if I'm just doing like a mobility workout. Oh, that was my shoulder crunching. I don't know if I'll leave that in. It'll be interesting if you've heard it. In the mornings, and my goal really is to get 5 to 7 days on the tonal. And it doesn't have to be a full-on workout. It can be, like I said, mobility. Like today, I really need to do either a foam rolling or a deload on my muscles because I'm a little sore from yesterday. So just continue that habit, keeping that going. So those are the big things for this month, with the top priority being Pink Zebra. Monthly chores I need to go over with my husband. So when we have our planner meeting, I want to make sure, like, you know, big chores. Like last month it was changing filters and, you know, cleaning out dryer and things like that. So I want to make sure we've been trying to look at that together. Habit tracking. So we're going to write tonal up here. I am not writing down Noom right now. I'm going to be, my subscription for Noom is up for renewal at the beginning of May. I'm actually going to be switching to Fitbit tracking. My husband uses the Fitbit app to track, so then we'll kind of be on the same page. So those are kind of my two, health and wellness. Well, wellness also is journaling. I don't journal every day. I was listening to a teacher podcast called Teaching on the Double. Highly recommend. They were talking about journaling and how for one of them, they find monthly journaling is easier, and the other one, she's a little more relaxed about, like, you know, she journals when she can. I found that I have gotten out of the framework of I have to journal every day, and if I don't, I fail. No, I have started to journal more in the mornings about the day before, and I find that works really well for me. And some days I write a lot, and some days I write a little, and I say it's okay. It's not the end of the world. So journaling, reading. And then one thing you're going to see is about a nighttime routine, and it's going to be closet setup for the next day. I think that'll help me out a lot. I may go through and add a few more, but I'll do that later. So that is the monthly for April, friends. I hope you got some ideas for planning with this video. If you did, let me know in the comments below what you took away. Or if you have ideas for me to try, also put that in, because I love trying new planner ideas. See if they work for me, see if they don't. Planning's different for everybody, friends. All right, I'll see you in the next one.